Oscar Romeo 4, 5, over, ready for questions. Every morning when I wake up, I float out of my cabin and float into the lab to read about my day. Over. Not a solar storm up here yet, but we do have sometimes sunspots, and we receive notifications from the ground. It's no problem. Over. Our families, as often as we have time, the schedule here is very busy, but I talk to my family at least every day. We have an internet protocol phone, and I call them. Over. I would say staying on the timeline. Every day has a timeline where almost every 5 minutes is full, and if one thing goes a little bit long, then you're late all day long, so that's hard for me. Over. We usually just heat up the food, or we add water, or maybe both. It's much like the food you might have when you're camping, and the only problem is it's the same food all the time, and so it's a little bit boring. Over. I think space trips are necessary, and I'm excited that more people will get to travel to space in the future. Over. Definitely see cities at night, not even just big ones, but almost any city or town at night, and we can take pictures with sunset. If anyone has yet. Over. A little bit different here in that, some things like brushing your teeth, you can't just spit into the sink and have everything go away, and so we swallow our toothpaste. That's probably my least favorite everyday activity. Over. It's very busy here. I would say that we have a lot of work to do, and in general, I get to call home or I get to call friends, and I also have email, so I don't actually feel all that isolated. Over. Over.